In this video, I'll show you how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. If you've been locked out, firstly open Settings on your iPhone, then tap your name, password and security, then change password. Enter your iPhone passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to set a new Apple ID password. Use your new password to log in again. If the issue is due to a temporary bug or unrecognized Apple ID, try going to Settings, your name, then Sign Out. Enter your Apple ID password to confirm, then reopen Settings and log in again using your new Apple ID password. Also, it may be due to an incorrect date or time. Just go to Settings, General, then Date and Time, and enable Set Automatically to ensure accuracy. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.